Hello friends. In this video, we will learn how to use the Render 724 submitter integrated into the 3ds Max program. Before starting to submit the project, we need to log in from the account menu. If we previously logged in to the Render 724 remote controller software, you will not need to log in from here again. Render 724 submitter has render farm settings on the left side and user scene settings on the right side. First, let's go into the job pools in Render Farm settings. Low priority, the most economical option, comes by default. When the low priority job pool is busy, higher priority job pools are selected in order to wait for the queue. We can leave this option as default for now and change it from the job management page according to the progress of the job. When rendering methods are considered, the final rendering method is the option we will use the most. With this option, we can submit our single frame, batch render, or animation jobs. The automation system distributes each frame to a server waiting in idle, and this job management continues until our project is completed with hundreds of cores. The pre-pass calculating method is used to make animation calculations with VRRay render. Mandatory settings specific to calculations come by default. Only quality settings are presented as user preference. We should use Fly Through the Camera option if there is only camera movement in the scene, and Moving Objects if there are moving objects. The free trial rendering method is always free. In this alternate service, render images are delivered with the Render 724 logo. The Still Image option is a service for you to be sure that the render images are completed perfectly. The rendering time of this test scene should be no more than 15 minutes. Otherwise, the render job times out and failed. Animation option is a service for you to estimate the total rendering costs before the payment. No render time limit is applied. However, the jobs can be submitted with a maximum number of 5 frames. Credit consumption is shown on the job management page for informational purposes, but it is not deducted from your account. The user scene settings section is quite simple. If you wish, you can change the name of the job. Job submitting options include single and batch submitting alternatives. Active Viewport is a single job submitting alternative. In this alternative, you can submit jobs using any camera in the scene. Batch render is an alternative to batch submitting. If there is more than one camera in the scene, this alternative should be selected. We have learned all the features of Render 724 submitter. Now we can click the Render button. After clicking the Render button, scene analysis starts. Approximately 50 scene errors are checked, and mandatory settings are corrected automatically. For correction of user settings, warning windows are opened and troubleshooting options are provided. While performing scene analysis, the name of the button changes to Cancel for a short time. With this period, you can cancel submitting. The button name changes to Hide after the project submitting process begins. When we click the Hide button, the submitting process continues in the background. You can now close the scene or continue working.